What's up? Welcome back to Body Make and Health Management. Let me tell you something. We all love a good time, right? A couple of beers after work, some wine with dinner, maybe a shot or two on the weekends. It's social, it's fun, it's how we unwind. But have you ever wondered what that booze is doing to your gains? I'm talking about those hard-earned muscles, that shredded physique you're working towards. We all know alcohol can affect our health, but it's easy to overlook its impact on our fitness journey. Whether you're trying to build muscle, lose weight, or improve endurance, alcohol can throw a real wrench in the works. That's why in this video, we're diving deep into the world of alcohol and fitness. We'll break down how those drinks affect your body and why that post-workout beer might be slowing down your progress. So grab your protein shake, settle in, and get ready to learn how to optimize your fitness journey. Let's get started. Chapter 1. The Gains Killer. Alright, Chapter 1, let's talk about alcohol and muscle growth. If you're hitting the gym hard and chasing those gains, listen up. You see, when you're trying to build muscle, your body needs to be in an anabolic state. That means it needs to be building more protein than it breaks down. It's like stacking bricks to build a wall. You need more bricks coming in than falling out. Alcohol, my friends, throws a major wrench into this process. It messes with protein synthesis, which is basically your body's ability to use protein to build and repair muscle tissue. Think of it like this. Alcohol shows up at the construction site and tells all the workers to take a break. Production slows down, and those gains you're working so hard for, yeah, they take a hit too. And it doesn't stop there. Alcohol is a diuretic, meaning it makes you pee more. Now, staying hydrated is crucial for muscle growth, and when you're dehydrated, your muscles can't recover and rebuild as efficiently. It's like trying to build that brick wall with dry, brittle bricks. It just doesn't work as well. So, that post-workout beer you enjoy? It might sound refreshing, but it's actually working against your muscle-building goals. It's like putting in all that effort at the gym, only to sabotage yourself right after. Not cool, right? Chapter 2. The Empty Calorie Trap. Chapter 2. Let's talk about alcohol and fat loss. Now, if you're trying to shed those extra pounds, you know that calorie control is key. You gotta burn more calories than you consume, right? It's basic thermodynamics. But here's the thing about alcohol, it's loaded with empty calories. What are empty calories, you ask? Well, they're calories that provide minimal nutritional value. No vitamins, no minerals, just pure energy that your body doesn't really know what to do with. It's like eating a bag of chips. It fills you up momentarily, but it doesn't provide any real sustenance. And here's the kicker. Your body prioritizes burning alcohol for energy before it even touches those stored fats. That's right, your six-pack abs are hiding under a layer of unburnt fat because your body is busy metabolizing that beer you had last night. Think of it this way. Imagine you have a fireplace and you're trying to burn off a pile of logs. That's your stored fat. Now you toss a bunch of paper, alcohol, onto the fire. The paper burns quickly and intensely, but it doesn't do much to burn those logs. That's what happens when you consume alcohol. It throws a wrench into your fat-burning efforts. So, if you're serious about losing weight, you gotta be mindful of those liquid calories. Remember, it's not just about eating clean, it's about drinking clean too. Chapter 3. The Workout Wrecker. Alright, Chapter 3, let's talk about alcohol and performance. Now, whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, we all want to perform our best, right? We push ourselves in the gym, on the track, in the pool, wherever we challenge our bodies. But here's the thing, alcohol can seriously mess with your performance. First off, alcohol impairs muscle recovery. Remember how we talked about alcohol being a diuretic? Well, that dehydration also affects your muscles' ability to repair themselves after a tough workout. It's like trying to run a marathon with sore, stiff legs. You're not going to perform at your peak, and it doesn't stop there. Alcohol also messes with your sleep, and we all know how important sleep is for muscle recovery and overall performance. When you're sleep deprived, your body can't repair itself as efficiently, and your workouts suffer. It's like trying to drive a car on an empty tank. You're not going to get very far. But here's the real kicker. Alcohol can increase your risk of injury. Why? Because it impairs your coordination, reaction time, and balance. It's like trying to walk a tightrope after a few drinks. Your chances of taking a tumble skyrocket. So, if you're serious about performing at your best, you've got to be mindful of your alcohol consumption. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about fueling your body for success. Chapter 4. The Rest Robber. Alright, Chapter 4, we're diving into the realm of alcohol and sleep. Now you might think that a nightcap helps you sleep better. After all, it makes you feel relaxed and drowsy, right? But here's the thing. While alcohol might help you fall asleep faster, it wreaks havoc on the quality of your sleep. You see, alcohol disrupts your sleep cycles, particularly REM sleep, which is the deep, restorative sleep your body needs to repair and rebuild. It's like going to a buffet, but only being allowed to eat the bread. You might feel full, but you're not getting the nutrients you need. And here's the kicker. Poor sleep messes with your hormone levels, particularly testosterone and cortisol. Testosterone, the muscle-building hormone, takes a nosedive, while cortisol, the stress hormone, goes through the roof. It's like trying to build a house in the middle of a hurricane. It's just not going to happen efficiently. So, that nightcap you enjoy? It's not doing your fitness goals any favors. In fact, it's robbing you of the essential rest your body needs to recover, rebuild, and perform at its best. Chapter 5. The Hormonal Havoc. Alright, Chapter 5, let's talk about alcohol and hormones. Now, hormones are like the messengers in your body, controlling everything from muscle growth and fat storage to mood and sleep. And guess what? Alcohol throws a major wrench into this delicate hormonal balance. Let's start with testosterone, the hormone that makes you, well, you. Alcohol suppresses testosterone production, which is bad news for anyone trying to build muscle or lose fat. It's like trying to win a race with a flat tire. You're not going to get very far, but it doesn't stop there. Alcohol also increases cortisol, the stress hormone. Now, some cortisol is good. It helps you wake up in the morning and deal with stress. But too much cortisol, especially chronically elevated levels, leads to muscle breakdown, fat storage, and a whole host of health problems. It's like having the emergency brake on while you're trying to drive. It's just not sustainable. And here's the kicker. Alcohol messes with your insulin sensitivity, which is your body's ability to use insulin effectively. Insulin is like the key that unlocks your cells to let glucose in for energy. When you're insulin resistant, your body can't use insulin properly, leading to high blood sugar levels and an increased risk of type 2 diabetes, heart disease, and other health problems. It's like having a broken key. It doesn't matter how much you jiggle it, the door won't open. So, if you're serious about optimizing your hormonal health and reaching your fitness goals, you gotta be mindful of your alcohol consumption. It's not about being perfect, it's about making choices that support your overall well-being. Alright, Chapter 6, the million-dollar question. Can you drink alcohol and still reach your fitness goals? Look, I'm not here to tell you to live a life of complete abstinence. I enjoy a good tequila now and then, but it's all about finding that balance, you know? Moderation is key, my friends. If you're serious about your fitness journey, you don't have to give up alcohol entirely, but you need to be smart about it. It's like having a cheat meal. It's fine in moderation, but if you're cheating every day, it defeats the purpose. So, what does moderation look like? Well, it varies from person to person, but a good rule of thumb is to limit your intake to 1 or 2 drinks per week, max. And when you do indulge, choose lower calorie options like light beer, dry wine, or spirits with soda water and lime. And here's a pro tip: hydrate like crazy. Alcohol dehydrates you, so make sure you're drinking plenty of water before, during, and after drinking. It's like going for a run in the desert. You need to replenish those fluids. Finally, plan ahead. If you know you're going out for drinks, Make sure you're eating a balanced meal beforehand and getting a good workout in earlier in the day. It's like prepping for a marathon. You need to fuel your body properly. So, there you have it, everyone. Now you know how alcohol affects your fitness goals. It's not about deprivation, it's about making informed choices that support your overall health and well-being. If you're serious about building muscle, losing fat, or improving your performance, you gotta be mindful of your alcohol consumption. Remember, moderation is key. Enjoy a drink now and then if you choose, but don't let it derail your progress. Focus on fueling your body with nutrient-dense foods, staying hydrated, and getting enough sleep. It's all about finding that balance, my friends. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to Body Make and Health Management for more insights and tips to help you succeed. Thanks for watching until the end, and I'll see you in the next video.